Welcome to Aarti's Education. By this video, we are going to learn about the test for divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. Also, we are going to take some examples for how to apply divisibility test in any question. It is helpful to us while solving problems at 33. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start to learn divisibility test here. Our first divisibility test is test for divisibility by 2. 2's divisibility test tell us that if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 2 or exactly divisible by 2. Let's take examples so you can understand it. Examples are 10, 20, 34. Any number you can take which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the unit place of that number. 230, 6546. You have to remember that each and every number's unit place is important to apply the divisibility test of 2. So we can say that these numbers are multiple of 2 or exactly divisible by 2. Now look at the unit place of these numbers. They have 0, 4, 0, 6. Such numbers are multiples of 2 or exactly divisible by 2. Our second test for divisibility is test for divisibility by 5. Let's write it. Test for divisibility by 5. 5's divisibility test tell us that if there is 0 or 5 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 5 or exactly divisible by 5. Here number 0 and 5 is important for our 5's divisibility test. Let's take some examples for it. 40. You can take any number which have 0 or 5 in the unit place. 500, 55, 245, etc. We can take many more examples like this. Now look at the unit places of these examples. Each have 0 and 5. These numbers are exactly multiples of 5 or divisible by 5 because they have 0 and 5 in the unit place. 0 or 5. Whichever is in the unit place of given number, that number is exactly divisible by 5. Now our third test is test for divisibility. Test for divisibility by 10. This test is also easy. It tells us that if there is 0 in the unit place of given number, then the number is a multiple of 10 or exactly divisible by 10. Let's write examples for it. You can write any number which have only 0 in the unit place of that number. We can write 100, 20, 10, 5 lakh. Any number which have 0 in the unit place of that number is exactly divisible by 10 or a multiple of a 10. These divisibility tests are very important in your 6th standard and 7th standard also, and further while solving problems based on mathematics, you can easily solve it by using this divisibility test. So you have to remember this test, recite them very well. I give you here in a simple way only the difference between the numbers are there, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 for divisibility test 2, 0 or 5 for divisibility test 5, and only 0 for divisibility test of 10. And the remaining sentence is exactly same for each and every divisibility test. Just you have to remember these numbers which are different for each and every test. So let's write them in your notebook, read them and recite them very carefully so you can easily solve the questions based on divisibility test. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you will understand and do it very well. See you in next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.